Hey guys, welcome to Hat Workshop, and today we're gonna be building a squirrel picnic table just for squirrels. So I got this idea from the quarantine times at the start of COVID. Many people were making this when they were at home in lockdown for the squirrels to come sit at the picnic table and eat there as if they were humans. So I tried to make this in this video, and we're gonna test it out at the end. So let's get started. So for our squirrel picnic table, I'm gonna start planning by making the legs and the seat supports. So here are the long pieces for the legs that I marked out and will be cutting out soon. I haven't marked the dimensions of the table piece, like the top of the table and the seats, because I want to see how small or large my legs are first. So yeah, let's get to it. So now I have finished making the cuts, and as you can see, S1 and S2, as you may be able to read right there, are the seat supports, and the L1, L2, L3, and L4 are the legs. So I'm gonna do a glue up, and then we're gonna see the size of the table itself. As you can see here, my assembly is now done. As you can see, the screws I also used in this assembly, other than the glue I have right here. I use screws just in case the thing is exposed to the weather and it might need more than glue, because glue could melt away easily. So now that I have the leg assembly assembled, I can move on and do the seating and the tabletop. So I'm gonna use a lighter piece of wood here. So this one right here is gonna be the seating, because it's thin and long, and this one is gonna be the tabletop because it fits perfectly between the legs. So I'm gonna get to measuring that, and you'll see me cut it soon. As you might have seen in that quick time lapse, I have finished cutting out the tabletop and the seat pieces, so it's the big assembly time. So yeah, it's time to finish this project. But actually, before we get ahead to assembly, I think we should sandpaper it first, so I'll go do that and we'll be back. As you can see, I'm really happy about how my squirrel picnic table turned out. So before I leave it outside and put some food for it, for the squirrels to come eat, to test it out, I'm gonna glaze it with some finish so that it can stand the outdoors and stuff, and then we'll be ready to test it. So the glazing is done and my finish is applied. So as you can see, the wood is now protected and it will stand the outdoors pretty well. On the table right here, I have the nuts that I'm gonna feed the squirrels with. It's just like plain nuts so that they like to eat it, not like with flavors, or else they won't. And if nuts don't work, I'm gonna try fruits, which squirrels also like. So yeah, the last and final step is to mount it on the tree outside. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll finish this up. So this is a spot I chose for the squirrel picnic table. The reason behind this is the squirrels like to come play around this area around my front yard. So yeah, it's gonna go here for now. It's not mounted to anything, it's just resting on top of this little tree right here. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And by the way, please follow my Instagram for the result of this squirrel picnic table. So if a squirrel comes by, or even a bird, I don't really care, I'm gonna post it on Instagram and you can see the results there. So thanks for watching, and this has been a fun episode making a mini squirrel picnic table or bird picnic table depending on what animal comes. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!